Foundation for the Carolinas is a very integral part of the Charlotte community. They're one of the 10 largest community foundations in the country.
Since 1958, Foundation for the Carolinas has been a catalyst for charitable good. We serve people, nonprofits, and organizations and help them amplify their charitable investments. The foundation has current assets of $1.8 billion. We manage over 3,000 funds, and we have a current staff of 85. We used a consultant for many years, and we knew that we needed to have a little more depth in our technology. Our decision was that we wanted to outsource this to a third party.
This foundation continues to grow. Everything was in-house for them. With that, they have increased compliance demands, regulatory requirements. They want to focus on what they do. They want to focus on helping the communities. As they needed to continue to scale, need to continue to be able to be more agile, more efficient, more secure, and compliance requirements, a decision was made to really ramp up their cloud strategy.
Well, we had made the decision to move our servers off-site. Part of this was in response to a business continuity plan and the need to have a disaster recovery.
So with Foundation for the Carolinas, we moved their entire production business critical application workloads, as well as the majority of their desktops to the CDI cloud. And so in the event of some sort of physical, logical, or connectivity issue, we can declare a disaster event, and we can bring them up within a few hours under their own roof. So it really helps them from a long-term and from a business continuity standpoint.
The migration went as smoothly as we could possibly imagine. And when we did have problems, CDI was there right alongside with us to help us resolve whatever the problem was so that we could get to the next step.
The onboarding process was fairly smooth. It's a definite testimony to the foundation and the CDI team working together. We had some application issues that were previously unknown prior to migration, even though we cleared it with the application vendors on the design, but then they came back and says, oops, we forgot about something. So be able to work through those stumbling blocks and move to an effective migration. And overall the end result was good, but there definitely were some challenges along the way. And part of the value that CDI brings is we're going to get inside an environment and see what is it going to take to migrate before we actually start. That's the way we handle all of our customers, is to make sure we're not just putting out fires when things break, but again, that long-term strategic planning, because when they succeed, we succeed.
That relationship is really important, because you have to know that if something goes wrong or you have a problem and you need that problem fixed quickly, you need to know that your partner is there and is supporting you in that transition to be able to get back up and functioning quickly.
And as they look to expand with their reach in the community, we want to be right in lockstep with them.